Today we're going to learn about paragraphs, including the three parts of a topic sentence, details, and conclusion. This video has 4 parts. Part 1 explains what a paragraph is. Part 2 is about the topic sentence. Part 3 explains detail sentences, and Part 4 tells about the conclusion sentence. Part 1. So what is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences about one idea. Let's look at an example. Here's a paragraph. I'll read it. Anna is an excellent student. She is intelligent. She is responsible. Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. So remember we said a paragraph is a group of sentences about one idea. So which sentence tells us the one idea that this paragraph is about? Anna is an excellent student. That sentence tells us what the rest of the paragraph is about. So how many sentences are in a paragraph? A paragraph has about 5 sentences. Sometimes you can have fewer, and sometimes you can have more, but usually 5 sentences is a good number of sentences for a paragraph. You can see that our example has exactly 5 sentences. And remember, the first sentence of a paragraph is indented. That means there's a space before the first sentence. Paragraph parts. So, how many parts does a paragraph have? A paragraph has 3 parts. The first part is a topic sentence. This tells the main idea, or what the paragraph is about. The topic sentence in our paragraph about Anna is, Anna is an excellent student. That sentence tells us what the rest of the paragraph is about. The next part of a paragraph is the detail sentences. These explain and support the main idea. Our example about Anna has 3 detail sentences. They explain and support why Anna is an excellent student. Here are the 3 detail sentences of our example paragraph. She is intelligent. She is responsible. Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. Do you see how these 3 detail sentences explain the topic sentence? Because they tell us why Anna is an excellent student. The last part of a paragraph is the conclusion sentence. This sentence reminds us of the main idea. The conclusion sentence in our example paragraph about Anna is, as a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. This sentence reminds us of the topic sentence that Anna is an excellent student. The meanings of these 2 sentences are similar, but we need to use different words in the conclusion sentence than we use in the topic sentence. Do you see how they're similar? The topic sentence, Anna is an excellent student, and the conclusion sentence that reminds us of the topic, as a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school. Part 2 of our video is about the topic sentence. Topic sentence and main idea. The topic sentence tells the main idea. So what is the main idea? The main idea is what the paragraph is about. It is the most important idea in the paragraph. The topic sentence has 2 parts. The topic and the main point. Let's look at an example. The topic is who or what you are writing about. Let's look back to our topic sentence, Anna is an excellent student. In this sentence, What's the topic? Who or what are we writing about? Anna. Anna is the topic of our topic sentence. The main point is what you are saying about the topic. So, what are we saying in our topic sentence about Anna? What is our main point? Our main point is that she is an excellent student. So the topic and main point give us the topic sentence and the main idea. Now let's practice. Topic sentence practice. Instructions. Read the paragraph. Choose the best topic sentence. The topic sentence will go in the blank. Fruits are delicious. Examples of fruits are apples, oranges, and bananas. Fruits have many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and potassium. For these reasons, it is a good idea to eat lots of fruit. Question 1. What is the best topic sentence? A. Everyone loves fruit. B. Fruit is a delicious food to eat. Or C. Fruit is a healthy and tasty food. Pause the video while you work. Question 2. The topic sentence that you choose goes in the blank. First, many schools require 2 or more years of foreign language study for graduation. Secondly, learning other languages helps us communicate with people from other countries. Also, knowing a foreign language can lead to job opportunities. Finally, for many people, studying foreign languages is fun. There are many reasons to learn a foreign language. Question 2. What is the best topic sentence? A. In the USA, many students study Spanish language. B. It is important to learn foreign languages. Or C. In college, people need to know foreign languages. Pause the video while you work. And 3. The topic sentence you choose will go in the blank. Children who have a cell phone can call for help in an emergency. Also, they can always communicate with their parents. Finally, cell phones help children stay in contact with friends. For these reasons, when possible, children should have a cell phone. Question 3. What is the best topic sentence? A. There are many types of cell phones. B. Cell phones help children call friends and parents. And C. Having a cell phone can help children in several ways. Pause the video while you work, and then we'll check your answers. Now let's check our answers. Question 1. What is the best topic sentence? The answer is C. Fruit is a healthy and tasty food. How do we know that C is the correct answers? To know, we look back at the detail sentences. Detail sentence 1 tells us fruits are delicious. Detail sentence 2 gives examples of fruits. And detail sentence 3 tells us that fruits have many vitamins and minerals. So which topic sentence do all 3 details support? Only one. That's topic sentence C. What about topic sentence A? Everyone loves fruit. Why isn't that correct? Well, because none of the details tell us about a person who loves fruit. The details tell us about fruit, but not about how people feel about fruit. So A can't be correct. And what about B? Why isn't B correct? Fruit is a delicious food to eat. Topic sentence 1 does tell us that fruits are delicious, but look at topic sentence 3. Topic sentence 3 tells us about vitamins and minerals. That doesn't support topic sentence B below. The only sentence that all 3 details support is sentence C. Number 2, what is the best topic sentence? The answer is B. How do we know this answer is correct? Well, we can look back to the detail sentences. Detail sentence 1 tells us that many schools require 2 or more years of foreign language study for graduation. Detail sentence 2 tells us that learning foreign languages can help us communicate with people from other countries. And detail sentence 3 tells us that knowing a foreign language can lead to job opportunities. All three of these details explain topic sentence B. They give reasons why it is important to learn foreign languages. Now, why can't the answer be A? In the USA, many students study Spanish language. That sentence is true. Well, A can't be our topic sentence for this paragraph because this paragraph never mentions Spanish language. This paragraph is about foreign languages, not only Spanish language. So A can't be the topic sentence. What about C? In college, people need to know foreign languages. Well, sometimes sentence C is true, but again, C can't be our topic sentence for the paragraph because this paragraph doesn't talk only about foreign languages and college. It talks about other topics, so C can't be the topic sentence for this paragraph. Question 3. What is the best topic sentence? The answer is C. Having a cell phone can help children in several ways. How do we know that's the correct answer? Again, we look back at the details to see which topic sentence they explain and support. Detail sentence 1 tells us that cell phones can help children call for help in an emergency. Detail sentence 2 tells us cell phones help children communicate with their parents. And detail sentence 3 tells us cell phones help children stay in contact with friends. All of these details explain and support one of the topic sentences, and we know it's C because all of these detail sentences give us reasons that having a cell phone can help children. Now, why can't the answer be A? There are many types of cell phones. Well, does the paragraph discuss types of cell phones? No, it doesn't discuss types of cell phones, so A cannot be the topic sentence of this paragraph. And what about B? Cell phones help children call friends and parents. Well, two of the detail sentences do support this topic sentence, but there's one more, which is detail sentence 1, about calling for help in an emergency. That detail sentence does not support topic sentence B. It does support topic sentence C. Remember, all detail sentences need to explain and support the topic sentence. So the correct answer is C. Part 3 of the video explains detail sentences. Now we're going to talk about detail sentences. Detail sentences explain and support the main idea. Sometimes detail sentences give examples. Sometimes detail sentences give reasons. Sometimes detail sentences give steps in a process. Let's look at our paragraph about Anna. The topic sentence is, Anna is an excellent student. The detail sentences are, she is intelligent. She is responsible. Anna always does her homework, and she is never late for class. Do these detail sentences give examples, reasons, or steps in a process? They give reasons. They all give reasons that the topic sentence is true. They give reasons why Anna is an excellent student. Why? Because she's intelligent, she's responsible, and she always does her homework and is never late for class. Let's change one of the detail sentences. She is responsible. We'll change that sentence to, she is so beautiful. Now, does the new detail sentence explain or support the topic sentence? So, does she is beautiful explain why Anna is an excellent student? No, it doesn't. So this sentence doesn't fit our paragraph because all detail sentences must explain and support the topic sentence. Let's change it again. She always makes A's. What about this detail sentence? Does the new detail sentence explain or support the topic sentence? So, she always makes A's. Does this detail sentence explain why Anna is an excellent student? Yes, it does. So this detail sentence fits the paragraph. Now let's practice detail sentences. What we'll do is read a paragraph and choose one detail sentence that does not belong in the paragraph. I'll read the paragraph aloud. People should not drink soda. Soda is an unhealthy drink. It contains a lot of sugar. This is why soda is so delicious. Also, soda contains caffeine and other chemicals that are not nutritious. For these reasons, people should avoid drinking soda. Question 1. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. This is why soda is so delicious. B. It contains a lot of sugar. Or C. Also, soda contains caffeine and other chemicals that are not nutritious. Pause the video while you choose your answer, and we'll check your answers in a few minutes. Number 2. The best pet to own is a fish. First, fish do not require a lot of space. Secondly, fish are easy to care for. Finally, there are many types of fish that are beautiful, large, small, and exotic, so an owner has many choices of which fish to get. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. For all of these reasons, fish make excellent pets. 2. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. Secondly, fish are easy to care for. B. Finally, there are many types of fish that are beautiful, large, small, and exotic, so an owner has many choices of which fish to get. Or C. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. Pause the video while you work. And number 3. Children should not play video games. First, children should be active, so playing outside is better than playing video games. Secondly, many video games are violent. However, many video games are not violent. Finally, time spent playing video games could be spent reading or spending time with friends and family. In conclusion, many activities are better for children than playing video games. Question 3. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? A. Secondly, many video games are violent. B. However, many video games are not violent. Or C. Finally, time spent playing video games could be spent reading or spending time with friends and family. Pause the video while you find the detail sentence that does not belong. Now let's check our answers. Question 1. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is A. This is why soda is so delicious. Let's mark it out. Now, how do we know that this detail sentence does not belong? Let's read the topic sentence again. People should not drink soda. So, all detail sentences in this paragraph should explain why the topic sentence is true. That means all of the detail sentences need to explain reasons that people should not drink soda. Sentence A, this is why soda is so delicious, does not give a reason that people shouldn't drink soda. In fact, this sentence gives a reason that people should or might want to drink soda. Sentences B and C both do give reasons that people shouldn't drink soda. So those sentences belong in the paragraph. A does not belong. Question 2. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is C. Of course, some fish are ugly and strange. Now, how do we know that that sentence doesn't belong? Again, let's look back at the topic sentence. The best pet to own is a fish. All detail sentences in this paragraph need to explain why the topic sentence is true. They need to explain why the best pet to own is a fish. Sentence C, of course, some fish are ugly and strange, doesn't tell us why the best pet to own is a fish. In fact, that sentence tells us a reason not to own a fish. So that sentence doesn't belong. Sentences A and B both do give us reasons why the best pet to own is a fish. So those sentences do belong in the paragraph. Question 3. Which detail sentence does not belong in this paragraph? The answer is B. However, many video games are not violent. How do we know that that sentence doesn't belong? Let's look again at the topic sentence. Children should not play video games. Every detail sentence in this paragraph should give reasons that the topic sentence is true. So, they should give reasons that children should not play video games. But sentence B actually gives a reason that it might be okay to play video games. So B doesn't belong. Sentences A and C do give us reasons that children should not play video games. So those sentences do belong in the paragraph. Detail sentences, more practice. Instructions. Each pair has a topic sentence and a detail sentence. Label each one. Number 1. A. The best pet is a dog. B. One reason is because dogs are friendly. Is A a topic sentence or a detail sentence? And what about B? Is it a topic sentence or a detail sentence? Number 2. A. Broccoli has iron and vitamin K. B. Vegetables are healthy. Number 3. A. Biologists study living organisms. And B. One organism biologists study is cells. And finally, number 4. A. Some species of flowers are dangerous. B. Hogweed flowers can burn your skin. Pause the video while you work. Now let's check our answers. Number 1A is a topic sentence. B is a detail sentence. How do we know this is true? Because detail sentences give reasons or examples that explain that topic sentences are true. So, detail sentence B, one reason is because dogs are friendly, gives us a reason that the topic sentence A is true. It gives us a reason why the best pet is a dog. Number 2, A is a detail sentence and B is a topic sentence. Why? Because detail sentence A, broccoli has iron and vitamin K. This gives us an example that helps explain the topic sentence B, that vegetables are healthy. Number 3, A is a topic sentence and B is a detail sentence. Why? Well, the topic sentence A says biologists study living organisms, and detail sentence B gives us an example of an organism that biologists study. Detail sentence B says one organism biologists study is cells. Number 4, A is a topic sentence and B is a detail sentence. How do we know that's correct? Let's look at detail sentence B. Hogweed flowers can burn your skin. This is an example that topic sentence A is true. This is an example that some species of flowers. Now we've reached the last part of the video, part 4, about the conclusion sentence. Now let's talk about conclusion sentences. The conclusion sentence reminds us of the topic sentence. It is the last sentence in a paragraph. It repeats the main idea in the topic sentence, but in different words. It does not give new details. In this paragraph, our conclusion sentence reads, "As a result of her hard work, Anna is one of the best students in school." This conclusion sentence reminds us of the topic sentence, "Anna is an excellent student." It uses different words to say a very similar main idea. Let's change the conclusion sentence. Instead of what we have now, let's change it to, "Anna is a top student because she works hard in school." So, does the new conclusion sentence remind us of the main idea that Anna is an excellent student? Yes, it does, because Anna is a top student because she works hard in school is very similar to the idea that Anna is an excellent student, but it uses different words. Let's change it again. Now the sentence reads, "Anna is a very good friend to many people at our school." So, does the new conclusion sentence remind us about the main idea that Anna is an excellent student? No. The main idea in the new conclusion sentence and the topic sentence are completely different. One is about Anna being a friend to people, and the other is about Anna being an excellent student. The new conclusion sentence does not match this paragraph. Now let's practice conclusion sentences. Instructions. Read the paragraph, then choose the answer. Question 1. What is the best conclusion sentence to go in the blank? I'll read the paragraph and you can choose an answer. We'll check answers in a few minutes. Walking is the best exercise. First, walking is free, so people don't need to buy a gym membership to do it. Secondly, people can walk wherever they live. Third, studies show that walking outside not only burns calories, but also helps a person feel happy and optimistic. Question 1. What is the best conclusion sentence? A. For these reasons, walking is an excellent form of exercise. B. In conclusion, walking does not cost any money. Or C. In summary, many people love to walk. Pause the video while you choose the best answer. Question 2. What is the best conclusion sentence? Families should take a vacation at least once a year. On vacation, families can spend time together without distractions from work and school. Also, during a trip, families can explore new places and activities together, which is fun. Finally, during their time away, families can relax together without the stresses of daily life. Question 2. Which is the best conclusion sentence? A. In summary, families need vacations together to rest, do new activities, and enjoy each other's company. B. In conclusion, families need vacations to see new places. And C. Finally, vacations are good for single people too. Pause the video while you answer the question. Question 3. What is the best conclusion sentence to go in the blank? It is important to study history. History repeats itself, so learning about the past can help us make better decisions in the present. Also, knowing about important historical leaders, wars, and events can help us understand cultures, people, and politics in today's world. Finally, learning about unusual people, places, and events in history is fascinating. What is the best conclusion sentence to go in the blank? A. In summary, history is a popular subject. B. This is why everyone loves history. And C, in conclusion, there are many reasons people should study history. Pause the video while you work. We'll check answers in just a moment. Now let's check our answers. Number 1, what is the best conclusion sentence? The answer is A. For these reasons, walking is an excellent form of exercise. How do we know that this is the correct answer? Because of A, B, and C, this conclusion sentence most closely matches the main idea in the topic sentence, walking is the best exercise. The main ideas are similar, but they use different words. We know that conclusion sentence B isn't correct. In conclusion, walking does not cost any money. It isn't correct because it's too specific to be a conclusion sentence. Also, walking does not cost any money doesn't match the main idea in the topic sentence, walking is the best exercise. Those are different main ideas. We know that C also is wrong. In summary, many people love to walk. This one is wrong because our paragraph doesn't talk about people who like or love to walk. This is new information in the paragraph, and we can't have new information in our conclusion sentence. So sentence C is incorrect. A is the only answer. Question 2. What is the best conclusion sentence? The answer is A. In summary, families need vacations together to rest, do new activities, and enjoy each other's company. How do we know that this is the correct answer? Because the main idea in conclusion sentence A most closely matches the main idea in the topic sentence, that families should take a vacation at least once a year. Why can't sentence B be correct? In conclusion, families need vacations to see new places. That idea is mentioned in the paragraph. True, the idea is mentioned in the paragraph as a detail, but there are other details that are mentioned in the paragraph as well. Your conclusion sentence shouldn't match a detail sentence. It should match the main idea in the topic sentence, which will be a little more general than detail sentences. So sentence B is a little too specific. What about sentence C? Finally, vacations are good for single people too. The problem with sentence C is this paragraph talks about families, not single people. You can't have new information in your conclusion paragraph, so sentence C is not a correct conclusion sentence for this paragraph. Question 3. What is the best conclusion sentence? The answer is C. In conclusion, there are many reasons people should study history. How do we know this is the correct answer? Because of sentences A, B, and C, this one most closely matches the main idea in the topic sentence, it is important to study history. Why can't the correct answer be A? In summary, these are examples of moments in history. It can't be A because this paragraph gives reasons why it is important to study history. This paragraph does not give examples of moments in history, so sentence A doesn't make sense. And why can't the answer be sentence B? This is why everyone loves history. Well, this paragraph doesn't give reasons that people love history. This paragraph gives reasons why it's important to study history. Sentence B includes new information about how people feel about history. We can't include new information in a conclusion sentence, so the correct answer is sentence C. Our paragraph practice for today is complete. I hope this video helped you understand what a paragraph is and how to identify each part of a paragraph. Thank you for watching.